Hi everyone, today I will be setting up my T-Mobile home internet. This is the Arcadia KVD21 5 GHz gateway. I currently have an AT&T UVerse 100 megabits plan and the price just keep going up since I cut the cord. So I'm taking up T-Mobile on their 15-day trial offer to see if this will work better than my current provider. Inside the box you'll find the Arcadia KDV21 gateway, a USB-C power cord, an instruction manual, and some warranty information. Before we get started, please make sure to click the like button below to help this video trend higher. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so yet to help me out. This will also alert you when I upload a follow-up video regarding my experience with this service. So let's get started. What we need to do now is plug in the device so that it will start booting up and then download the app. Make sure to download the T-Mobile Internet app as this is the app designed for the T-Mobile gateway. Let me go ahead and install it and then open the app. From here, just click Setup Device and then click on 5G Gateway. I'll just show you what's in the box, just click Next. And from here, you can play the video so that it can give you an idea on where to place the gateway. Basically, you want to place it as high as you can and also close to the window. You don't want to hide this gateway because it's getting its signal from the towers outside your home. Okay, so the next step will be to check the signal in my location. So you can enter your address or you can just click Share Location. It will use your GPS. And here it says that I have a great signal in my area. You can use the map view or you can also use the camera view. And when you use the camera view, it's going to use your phone and give you an idea on where to place it. And I gave this thing a try and it seemed to guide me to a certain spot in my home. It doesn't matter if I'm on my first floor, on my second floor, it always direct me to the same wall. So I guess that's where the tower is located. So once you found your spot, you can click on Got It and we can start connecting to the gateway. Click Found the Spot and then just click Scan and then scan the QR code at the back of your gateway. And now just click Next. If your gateway is already up and running, all you need to do is just scroll up and keep skip. Next, you want to check the screen on your gateway. Make sure that it's not updating its firmware. If it is updating the firmware, let it finish first. If it's not updating, then just click No, so you can go to the next step. This step is basically just telling you that your Wi-Fi is going to be switched to the T-Mobile so that you can connect to the gateway and finish your setup. If it doesn't do that automatically, you can set it up manually. Okay, so now it's telling me that I am connected to my T-Mobile Wi-Fi gateway. So here it's just telling me to change the T-Mobile network name and the Wi-Fi password. So I'm just gonna use T-Mobile for now for this testing. And then I'm gonna be typing my new password. So after typing my password and clicking on the submit button, it's now configuring my network. So this will take about 20 seconds. It looks like it lost its connection to the gateway. So let me go ahead and connect manually to it. Let me go to my settings and look for T-Mobile. Put in my password and click connect. Okay, so now it's connected. So let's go back to the setup screen. So it's still checking the Wi-Fi network. Let's go wait a little. Okay, so now it's asking me to change the administrator password. So let me go ahead and type my password and now click on submit. Okay, so it looks like we are done. So we are now connected to my T-Mobile gateway and you can see right now I have a 4 bars. Now let's go ahead and do a quick speed test. So my current UVerse internet will only give me about 80 to 90 megabits per second. So if I get anything a little over 100 on this one, I'll be happy. So let's go ahead and try it. Click on go. Wow, so this is actually fast. So for $50 a month, I can get 243 megabits per second unlimited. So now my next step will be to observe this for the next 2 weeks, since I have a 2 weeks trial period. If everything looks good, then I'll cancel my Uber's internet and stick with T-Mobile home internet. And I hope that you found this video helpful. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel. And thank you for watching.